What's up, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm back with another video, but look, today we're gonna switch things up a little bit. First of all, let's address the sweat. It's so hot in St. Louis, y'all. It's like 100 degrees, gotta be. But we finna switch things up. We're gonna talk about this Jeep. I just put some new headlights on here. I'm finna show you my install process, but I do wanna say before we start this video, if you need a safety test done on your vehicle, do not put these lights on there, because I tried to pass my safety test today, did not work. They want me to take the tint off my windshield. They say my windshield is too dark, and they want me to take the headlights off because they say they're tinted. So don't get these if you still need to pass the safety test, or if you just want to be safe, don't do the darker headlights. They're bright though, so I don't really understand that concept. But yeah, it's QueenSit. On my channel, we talk about motorcycles. I got a Road Glide, I got a Road King, a Sportster. I still want to get that Sportster away, but for all my motorcycle people, this is still a motorcycle channel. But sometimes I'm gonna talk about this Jeep, because I got this Jeep to go off-roading. I got it to go camping sometimes. I just want to be adventurous with the motorcycle and with the Jeep. I want to combine both. So let me know in the comments if you're into this type of thing. We're gonna ride around in the Jeep today. Maybe even take the top off. I don't know, it's hot, but we gotta do something. So let me know, all right? It's QueenSit, let's go.
And a little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
Boom, and here go the Road Glide, y'all. This is the king of the castle. You know, I'm the queen, right? But this is the king, and my bike's name is actually King. Super dirty right now, but you know, we ride this every day. Look at the bugs on there. So I gotta figure out a good time to go wash this and clean it. Yeah, love this bike. But that's my baby. I got my purse on there, and I went to Best Buy and got this gimbal that I'm shooting with. That's what's happening. It's a new helmet. Let's see. I just want to show y'all my bike real quick. Got the sissy bar, the luggage rack, some of my favorite accessories. But yeah, I love it. I'm thinking about switching these pipes out though. I'm not gonna lie. I think I want to keep them black, but they're a little, they've been through it. Okay, we've been across country so much. Super dirty, got some scratches. I've been down one time. That video is on my page. In the rain, I went down on some train tracks. That's the only time. Also, this has come apart. This won't stay closed. So I actually have a new set of lowers in the house. I ordered them again. The link is in the description if you need to get some for your motorcycle. But it's about time to switch them on out. So look for that in the next video. I'm gonna show you how to install those. And we're gonna keep it moving. And that's the new baby over here, the Road King. I got some upgrades on there. I think I'm gonna show y'all in the next video. But that's the baby right here. And I need a new bike cover. It's QueenSit. Let's go. Every time I get in the car, I can never find the key. Okay, found it. All right. We might try to get some drone shots going today. I don't even know. Okay, so yesterday, I changed the headlights and did all of that. And I can't even pass my safety test because the headlights are too dark. But I gotta buy new headlights, take my tinted windows off, and then I should pass safety. I just don't feel like replacing the headlights again. Like, that's a lot. I'm thinking about going to this Italian spot. Right now, I'm getting ready to pick up my homegirl, and we're gonna go get some food. And the last time three of us went, we went to this little Italian spot. It was so good. They had like pizzas, pastas, and I'm thinking today I'm gonna do a pizza. It was so good. And they had a wine, and it was called Lambrusco. When you get gas, take your keys out of the car. So I'm not gonna take the top off because I think it's gonna rain. I don't know. But right now, I got the clear top. So I put the clear top on top to open it up a little bit. In the wintertime, when it rains, when it snows, it still looks happy. It gives you happy vibes, right? So since it's summertime now, I think I'm gonna put on my old tops, store the clear one, and just because it's easier to take the old ones off. With the clear one, it's like 6 latches I gotta take off versus 4 or 3. Okay, this door is heavy. Oh my God. What the?
I just look like you want smoke. Why is this book looking at me like this?
Huh?
Why is this book looking at me like this?
What you mean?
We got a problem.
It look dirty. Yeah, Shady Jacks. If you watch the Harley Davidson interview, this is where we came to eat. But I didn't get no clips of that. I don't know what's happening here right now, but we're here.
Once there's only a few people left, the rest of you will act as a circle and kind of close it in on them. Alright? And again, once you're out...
Ooh, I came here just for the funnel cake.
This side's better. I got the apple care on that side. This side's better. I got the frame saver over there and it didn't save me on the other side. But use a 17, man.
You went down on it?
Yeah, leaving here actually. The guy clipped me here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A car
Slap.
or a
Yeah,
bike?
a truck, actually.
Dang.
Back in
Boom, what's up YouTube? I'm getting ready to change this headlight on my Jeep Wrangler because boom, it's out. Okay, so I got these new headlights I got off Amazon. They were like $80 or something. And let's see if we can do this. The first thing I gotta do is take some clips off the clip. It just said pop that off. There's 6 of them. Let's not lose that. Pop this off. And the rest of it should come off. 1. Let's do the rest. 1. 2. Ah, Jesus. Alright, now I got everything done. I gotta dislocate this side lamp, whatever this is. This little headlight thing. Okay, cause see, I pulled the tab back right here. This tab is normally up, but you gotta pull it back, right? So we click. Okay, look, click and click. He said make sure you pull all the way back. And then push the button and pull it out. Come in. Okay with me. Boom! There it is. Alright. And over here we gotta do the same thing. Pull this down so I can see. Oh Lord, it's different. Pull it back up. Under. This one under. But I'm still gonna pull that thing back. Now I'm hot and sweaty. Let's try this. They said this loose. All I gotta do is put it out. Easy. Easy. Okay, I do got the tool, and I'm happy. It's like a little star on the end. They like it's dust. But yeah, like that. Got it, baby. Let's go. So all I'm gonna do now. I forgot which one it was. I think it's this one. All I'm gonna do now is just twist that thing like that, and then keep up with these, cause I'm good for losing screws. Let me make sure. Let me put these somewhere safe. I'll be right back. What is that? I don't know. But we pull this out. This wasn't even connected. My headlight was out because this was not connected to this piece right here. This piece is faulty, so actually this was supposed to come out with that, okay? Yeah, that's a problem. This little red thing is broken. The little red clamp. I need a new one of those. Okay. Yeah, okay. Alright, so we got the new headlight. We got pieces, and these gonna go into this. This gotta go into this. So let's make that happen. Plug it in. This went into the adapter, which went into the light. We're gonna turn it on just to make sure. Before I stop. Oh yeah, that now, baby. Yeah. Alright, let's put these buzzers on. Right on there. And we're gonna screw everything back. I'll be right back. Let me get on my line. Alright, I got everything back on. And I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember what I'm about to do next. So I'm probably gonna have to go look at the YouTube video again. Yeah. Alright, thank you for joining my channel. Stay tuned, let's go. Alright, y'all, right now, we got a camping trip tomorrow. So right now, I'm just taking this clear top off my Jeep. I want to see if it'll fit in the back for this camping trip, or should I put my old Jeep top on? Hey. Alright, so this is not fit in the back. So I'm definitely gonna switch this out. I'm just gonna use this for my wintertime top. Keep the sun in, keep things bright. But my two top Jeeps right here, Jeep tops right here, I'm gonna just put them back on for the summer. Cause I take my tops off like every day if it's not raining. Wakanda forever!